Yes, I know.
Yay!
Okay, tiger roaring.
That's me. It's gonna have some noise probably. Tiger roaring. Tiger Woods roaring. Dead yet, is it? That's hilarious. Do another one. Do another one.
Shrieking tiger crouching.
That's me in the morning.
Crouching eardrums.
Oh my God! I have to get up. Oh, that's hilarious.
Oh, we'll come right over here.
There's a come on, cooler.
Eddie, would you like one too? No, I'll get. Alright, cool.
Over there.
Black, I think burger, blackberry, and then regular.
There's Coke and black cherry.
Eddie, what do you want? What? I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. Is raspberry alright? Yeah.
And
Got
we
it?
got Heineken on draft. Karen?
Okay, thanks, Bob. That's what that's called? No. Karen? But did you see my name? Karen?
Karen.
As in not Eddie and not Sean.
Might need to use your shirt to twist it.
No, oh,
Don't you dare.
I thought you were inviting me. Get him? What do you say? Did you?
Well, this is supposed to be the flaming wheel of destruction.
Oh boy.
Then you should pin it on my back. No, you should call the fire department.
They're here.
Okay.
For all the eve of destruction.
You didn't see lights in front of our house, did you? Okay.
Don, is that you over there like showing your age?
Yes.
Yeah, afraid of that.
I like that song.
Yeah, who did it?
I don't know.
Barry McGuire.
Barry McGuire. Yes. Remember the first name? I couldn't remember the last
I know, Carol, she just chimed right in.
We're like so old here.
Okay, Mom. We're all here.
Alright. It's actually kind of nice just like that. You don't have to light it or anything. Just like that.
And that's the same guy that left the cake out in the rain.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh. Here we go.
MacArthur's Park.
That's right.
What?
Oh, man.
Oh, that sucked. That was it?
No, it's still burning. Look out.
Oh,
He was robbed.
don't go near it, Bob. No, no, it's out now. It probably got stuck in the leaves.
Bang!
No, this area is
That's all it was.
Something's still burning, Bob.
Yeah, it's the paper.
back up. Regroup. Blow again. It's still on fire. Oh my God.